Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic eardrop as a monophasic liquid dosage form from pharmaceutics too. The topics to be covered from this session are as follows: Introduction to monophasic liquid dosage forms, classification of liquid dosage form, and eardrop as a monophasic liquid dosage form. So let's see about monophasic liquid dosage forms. Monophasic liquid dosage form is a liquid preparation containing two or more components in a one-phase system. It is represented by a true solution. A true solution is a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving solute in a suitable solvent. Then the component of the solution which is present in a large quantity is known as solvent, whereas the component present in a small quantity is termed as solute. Classification of liquid dosage form. It gets divided into main two classes: liquid meant for internal administration and liquid meant for external administration. In case of a liquid meant for internal administration is of three types: mixture, syrups, and elixirs. Liquids meant for external administration is again divided into three types: liquids for oral cavity, which is taken by mouth, liquids instilled into body cavities, and liquids applied on skin. In case of liquids for oral cavity which is taken by mouth are gargles, mouthwashes, and throat paints. Then liquids instilled into body cavities are douches, eardrops, and nasal drops. And liquids applied on the skin are sprays, liniments, and lotions. So let's see about eardrop. Eardrop, these are the solution used for instillation into ear. Eardrop, the solution are prepared in water, glycerin, propylene glycol, or alcohol. Vehicle like glycerin and propylene glycol are preferred as they increase the contact time and soften the wax. Uses of eardrop: it is used as an antibacterial, then softening the wax, and in mild infections. Example of eardrop is a sodium bicarbonate eardrop. Sodium bicarbonate 5 gram, glycerin 30 ml, purified water up to 100 ml. Prepare eardrop and send 30 ml. Directions are: place 2 to 3 drops in each ear as directed. Storage and labeling conditions for eardrops are: container. For storing these eardrops, the eardrop should be packed in a colored fluted glass bottle and supplied with the dropper. Labeling conditions: for external use only, not for injection, and discontinue the use if irritation persists. Storage: throat paints are supplied in a well-closed glass container in cool place. These eardrops are also supplied in a well-closed glass container in a cool place. What we learned from this topic, eardrop, monophasic liquid dosage forms, the learning outcomes are: What are the monophasic liquid dosage forms? Then the classification of liquid dosage form and a brief overview to eardrop as a monophasic liquid dosage form.